Welcome to our video where we delve into the three main macronutrients that form the foundation of our diet: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Carbohydrates provide energy for our daily activities, proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, while fats aid in nutrient absorption and hormone production. Understanding the significance of these macronutrients and incorporating them in the right proportions is key to maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Carbohydrates are vital as they serve as the main energy source for our bodies, providing the fuel necessary for daily tasks and physical activities, including exercise. When consumed, carbohydrates are converted into glucose, which is readily used by our cells for energy production. It's important to include a variety of carbohydrates in our diet, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, to ensure a steady supply of energy for optimal performance and well-being. Proteins are crucial for our body's structure and function, playing a fundamental role in building and repairing tissues such as muscles, organs, and skin. They are composed of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein and essential for growth and repair processes. Additionally, proteins contribute to the production of hormones and enzymes that regulate various bodily functions. Including protein-rich foods like lean meats, legumes, nuts, and dairy products in our diet ensures adequate intake for tissue maintenance and overall health. Fats are essential for our body's ability to absorb certain nutrients, including fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. They also play a crucial role in cell growth and repair, as well as hormone production. Moreover, fats provide insulation and protection for our organs, helping maintain body temperature and safeguarding vital tissues. Opting for healthy sources of fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, supports overall well-being and ensures the proper functioning of various bodily processes. Maintaining a balanced diet with the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats is vital for supporting our overall health and well-being. Each macronutrient serves a unique purpose in our body, and an imbalance can lead to health issues. By ensuring we consume the appropriate proportions of these macronutrients, we provide our bodies with the necessary nutrients for energy, tissue repair, and various metabolic functions. Striving for a balanced diet enhances our immune system, promotes physical vitality, and contributes to long-term health benefits.